Welcome to Dynamic Church Sunday Service. We're so glad you're here today. Whether you're joining us for the first time or you're part of the family, this is your moment to be refreshed, encouraged, and renewed. Let's open our hearts and experience God together.
Last Sunday service, the DKs learned about John the Baptist's death, that even in difficult situations, John remained faithful and obedient to God. His life reminds us to stand firm in truth and courage, no matter what.
My name is Jasmine. I am 7 years old. I learned that we need to ask Papa God first, so no one will be hurt.
And in J12, the kids learned about the bloodshed of Jesus, that Jesus willingly gave his life for us, shedding his blood to cleanse us from sin and bring us back into a right relationship with God. And that's it! We are inviting all the kids to join us every first and third Sunday of the month at the Silver and Bronze Room Apovio Hotel, Davao City. See you there!
Together we go and sing His name. Dynamic family, never the same. Hand in love we grow. With Jesus our God, together we go. Every place in and out of the vow will shine His light, the world will know. United in Christ, His love we show. With faith in our hearts, together we go. Every place in and out of the vow will shine His light, the world will know. United in Christ, His love we show. With faith in our hearts, together we go.
Last Wednesday, the team of DCIM leaders, together with Adrian, our partnered rider and a faithful disciple of Christ, visited Bahay Pag-asa and RRCY as part of our Life Restoration Program. We spent time with the youth there, sharing encouragement, hope, and the reminder that their stories matter. Our message was simple but powerful. The sorrows we face don't define us. They can become our testimony. God can take every challenge, every hardship, and every situation and use it for His glory. That day was a beautiful reminder that even in our struggles, His love never fails, and His plans are greater than our pain. It was a time of inspiration, connection, and witnessing God's faithfulness in every circumstance. If you want to be part of this mission, you can plant seeds of hope and faith in their lives. Your support, prayers, and generosity can help reach these young people with God's love. And surely, the Lord will bless you for being a blessing to others. We are inviting everyone who wants to go deeper into the Word to join us on Spotify. Just type Daily Devotional and search for the Book of Galatians. Subscribe, listen with an open heart, and be blessed.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jamarlene Dano. So, my takeaways for the 3 days of RW. During the first day, um, tinuod gyud nga ikapila na gid ako ni nakita ng Passion of the Cross ba. Pero katong Friday manggod pagkakita nako sa iyaha dito ra gyud thoroughly deeply gyud siya na explain sa ako unsa jud siya pasabot. So dito ko murag nag-burst pud akong luha ba kay kung mutanaw lang kag movie, mutanaw lang ka pero lahi gyud tong mutanaw kag movie na touch pa ka sa movie. So mo to siya ang realization nako tong first day of RW. Now the second day naman ang naghatag gyud sa ako ang impact is tong hurt people hurt. Because I just want to share a little things of my life. Nung bata pa kasi ako, I was a miracle baby. Kasi akong mama na-admit siya kay high blood siya while I was in the womb. No, karon gipapili ako ang papa kung kinsa ang buhion, akong mama ba or ako. So ang akong papa gipili niya kay akong mama. Gi-explain niya sa ako kay tungod daw if ever daw si mama iyang pilion maka himo pa silang another baby. So katong grade 5 ko kay since katumang grade 5 ko na reveal pa sa ako ang inana di ang sitwasyon. Suko kay ko sa akong papa. Ano ko nga naman, lain na, oy, mura ko nimo gi-abandon, murag, dili ka happy na ako diri. So, murag katong akong realization ba na, tama giday, no? Kung lahat nimo ang isa ka tao, o very close siya sa imuha, o naa siya'y nabuhat sa imuha, mas sakit pag yun di ay, ang impact sa imuha if naa siya'y mabuhat. So, again, ang naging impact po sa ko kay, you have to forgive because God always forgive. So moto siya tapos ang kaganina pod for the last day katong water baptism. Share lang nako kay si Jim man akong partner ang nakauna direk restoration weekend. So nangananghid siya sa ako ano siya magpabaptism daw siya. Giyaw-yawan ko. Nauyahan ako siya kanya anak ko so magpa-change na kag religion. So wala to pag-work together kung lahi-lahi pagsabot sa atong religion, gaynan ako siya. So niana na lang siya na, sige lang, next restoration, mag-attend ka, kay dili ko gusto ako mag-explain, kay dili pud ko kabalo kung saan mag-explain sa imuha. Kasi I'm not open-minded eh. So yun ako siya, restoration, sige, bahala ka niyo. Attendan lang gud ko, anak ko. Tapos karon nananghit na po siya, musimba daw siya. Anak ko, musimba ka, mag-amin-amin na po ka dito. Giyana na ako siya. Ganina ba kay murag na-realize na ko ani pagid ko kabad influence akong partner nga naingon gid nako to sa tanan. So mo lang gyud to akong mga takeaways and karon naka-desisyon gyud mi nga magpa-water baptism mi. Yan lang po, thank you.
Ay ako din sa una kay isa ko kakawatan, adik og kuan kaning manoy sa kuan, ulas. Ako nagpuyo ko sa kuan sa squatter no. Mo nang sayo ko na mulat sa realidad. Ako sa una kay daghan yung nagian bisag bata pa ko. Kawat. Nadunggaban na pud ko pero wala jud ko niundang. Nya isa pod sa manakailas akong mama nga si Abigail. Gikan pud og RW. Nangayo siya pasaylo sa kuha pero ako ra gikatawan. Kay wala na ko na realize sa una nga ingana. Pero karon ako na realize nga dako kung mali atong time ato. So karong adlaw salamat kayo sa inyo kay gidala jud ko niyo diri sa kay Kuya Pindoy, ti Jerlyn sa motel Ate Joy. Kulbayang. Salamat kay sa inyo tungod kay sa inyo naabot ko diri Salamat ra to.